Payment in e-commerce and m-commerce. Payment is one of the most important aspect of the e-commerce as well as the m-commerce. In traditionally payment method, we do the payment using cash, check or credit card. Electronic payment system been more important than the online business process as companies are looking for different ways to serve the customer faster at low cost. Electronic payment is a financial exchange that can be served take place between the buyer and the seller. मतलब कि कोई भी हम चीज़ खरीदते हैं तो उसकी हमें पेमेंट करनी पड़ती है. Okay, that is called a electronic system. Okay, where can the customer can serve the faster and the lower cost. Okay, there are types of the electronic payment system are as follows. First is the payment card. Payment card can be classified as a credit card, debit card, smart card. Generally, business use the term payment card for all the types of the plastic card can be used to make purchases. Now, first is the credit card. This is the one of the most popular and widely accepted method of the payment on the internet. A credit card is issued to the customer by the banks known as issuing the banks. The issuing banks provide the credit card of the financial institution which are established and reputed in the services of the credit card business. Example of the MasterCard or a Visa card that depend on the customer credit card history and the income level. Credit limits provide on the limits of the customer can spend and pay issuing banks within the billing period. क्रेडिट कार्ड मीन्स क्या मतलब कि आपको दो सर्विस प्रोवाइड है जैसे मास्टर कार्ड है वीज़ा कार्ड है जिसमें आपको पेमेंट करने की जरूरत इट विल बी कट फ्रॉम योर बैंक. Okay, link to the bank account. When you use them to pay online, the merchant charge the goods and issuing the bank account and the bank show the debit from your next statement. कि जो भी आप यूज़ करोगे वीज़ा जैसे SBI वीज़ा कार्ड है मास्टर कार्ड है राइट क्रेडिट कार्ड दे आर द यूज फॉर द कस्टमर टू बाइंग द एंड सेलिंग द pay the bills. In credit card transaction over the internet, the customer visits merchant website and select the goods to buy. All information related to the credit card enter, then this information is transmitted to the merchant electronically. In this transaction, four parties are involved. First, customer with the credit card, merchant accepting the credit card, issuing banks issuing the credit card and guarantee the payment to the merchant. The bank collect the payment from the customer. Acquiring the bank's financial institution that established the account with the merchant, validating the credit card information of the customer and authorize the sale based customer credit limits. मतलब कि देखो पहले कस्टमर क्रेडिट कार्ड से लिंक होता है फिर merchant accepting the credit card issuing the banks get the credit card and guarantee to the payment to the merchants and collect the payment from the customer. Acquiring banks means the financial institution established the account with the merchant validating credit card information and customer and authorize sales based on the customer's credit limit. Now, two or more entities plays role in the online payment. They payment gateway and processor. The payment gateways as a services. The third parties like payment, which connect the network. All the parties in involve the enables to perform the unauthorized authorization payment in a secured manner. Process are the data which perform the credit card transaction with the settled funds to the merchant. The processor will connect to the e-commerce website of the merchant through the payment gateway. The online payment through the credit card or internet to divide two parts, authorization and the settlement. During the authorization, following steps are performed. First, customer checkout, providing the credit card information on e-commerce website which along the transaction details means क्या क्या डिटेल रहेगा कार्ड का item detail, date of purchase, and other, and transfer to the payment gateway. Payment gateway passes the information of the processor which contact with the issuing banks for the verification of the information. After verification of issuing, the bank sends the status of the verification like accepted or rejected. Now to the processor which turns pass it to the payment gateway. Finally, the payment gateway sends the result of the transaction of the merchant website. If the merchant escaped the transaction, then send the second step during which it transfers the amount of the customer's account of the merchant account. During the settlement of the payment, the following steps are performed. The merchant sends the transaction request with all the details payment gateway which sends the processor. Processor sends the payment detail to the issuing the banks to the customer. It also sends the payment details an acquiring bank where the merchant has to account. The acquiring bank credits amount of the merchant account. The issuing bank after include all the charges sent to the bill to the customer. Now, what are the advantages? First, it gives the flexibility of the to the customer. Next, as they do not have carry lot of cash, customer can pay the good and service both online and offline. Keep the record of the customer purchase through the bank statement. Then it allows the customer to purchase good and do not have the cash and available. They can just settle the cash in the end of the month. मतलब कि क्रेडिट कार्ड में अगर आप अकाउंट में पैसे ना हो तो वो आपका काम रुक पाता नहीं है. It can be pay the bills at a particular time, but at the end of the month he can deduct it from your account. Now limitations of the credit card, they are available unsuitable for all small very large payment. Also they due to the security issue, the credit card have a limit and cannot use for the extensive large transaction. Customers and the overspend using the credit card. Problems arise in a lost and stolen credit card. Now, debit card looks like a credit card worked differently. It is kind of the payment that transfer the fund directly from the customer bank account to the merchant. The amount is needed deducted from the bank account of the customer. The debit card can be keep customer consumer purchase under the limit that do not allow to exceed beyond his her budget. But while using the debit card for the purchase, the consumer should always aware of the account balance and show an example of the debit cards. Now next is the smart cards. Smart cards are look like a credit card but also different from the microchip embedded in their services. In microchip embedded in their surfaces, a smart card is contain the user private information such as the account information, health insurance information, private keys. It can store the 100 times information. Normally cards, they are much safer than the credit card and debit cards. Customer can load their card in with the cash and they pay the goods in the merchant retail outlet or a website. मतलब ये क्या है स्मार्ट कार्ड मतलब क्या है एक क्रेडिट कार्ड जैसा इट्स लाइक ए क्रेडिट कार्ड एक माइक्रो चिप है जिसमें आपको एक पर्सन की डिटेल दी रहती है स्टोर होती है 100 टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन आप स्टोर कर सकते हैं एंड इट कैन बी अटैच विद अ पीसी ऑल्सो और स्मार्ट कार्ड ज़्यादातर कौन से कंट्रीज में चल रहा है यूएस जापान यूरोप एंड सम पार्ट्स ऑफ एशिया स्मार्ट कार्ड read information or add data to it in a small device which can be smart card inserted. For example, when you visit the family doctor, you can give a smart card to review the medical history and prescribe the medicines. This information is also inserted the smart card at the medical store. You can hand over the card pharmacist and see the prescription given at the medicine accordingly. Also payment can be done by using the smart card. Smart card is another form of the payment mechanism wherein the customer can pay through the card in a vendor. The customer can pay the total amount at the end of the billing period of the and issue the card. अब कार्ड जो भी आप पेमेंट कार्ड से करते हो तो उसका एक आपको पेमेंट अदर साइड से आपको देना रहता है बैंक वालों को. नाउ नेक्स्ट है net banking. Another option which is becoming more popular is net banking or a online banking. It does not any type of card can be used by the customer who bank with the internet banking. The banks provide the internet banking password to the customer for operating the account from the internet include the payment for the online purchases. Many of the e-commerce and m-commerce websites provide the facility to make the payment using the net banking. Once the selected bank, you will see the screen on your bank website when you need to log in your account number and net banking password. You will perform the transaction. The transfer need the amount from your account in the merchant. The Indian Railway provides the facility to book the tickets online, the website. The first user need to register on the site and they provide the details to the journey along with the passenger information. Once the information is filled with the process, the payment will need the net banking options is also be provided. Now, electronic fund transfer (EFT). EFT means transferring the money from the one bank to account to the another electronically. It is safe, secure, efficiently and less expensive than the paper check payment tool collection. Example of the EFT are the transaction among the various banks around the world. Now, tuition fees as a using as a ATM, deposit of the employee, salaries in their account, monthly bank accounts, deduction and many more. The popularity of the EFT online bill payment is growing. The benefit of the EFT is include the reduced administrative cost, increased efficiency, simplified bookkeeping, and the greater security. However, the number of companies who send and receive the bills through the internet is still very small. ई-वॉलेट आपको मालूम है जो ऑनलाइन जो एप्लीकेशन है उसमें आप अपने मनी को स्टोर कर सकते हो. ओके, इसके अंदर डिपॉजिट करो ई-वॉलेट में, देन वी कैन यूज एज अ शॉपिंग या टिकट बुकिंग एनी अदर एक्सेस. Now rupee, the rupee is a coin from the two terms and the payment is new card mechanism launched by the National Payment Corporation. अब रुपए को लॉन्च किसने किया? नेशनल पेमेंट्स कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. It is currently there is no domestic card. Indian banks with the tie of the Mastercard and Visa to connect the card holder, merchants and the issue banks around the globe. Mastercards and Visa are the world leaders in the card payment and the payment transaction are processed in every transaction done using the credit and debit card issuing the domestic bank. It routed their network switches which is outside the country. This this transaction involves the additional charges providing the services. The bank have a pay for the processing all the debits and debit cards, all the other payments. By using the RuPay cards, all the transaction will the process with India. As the transaction process will done domestically, the cost of transaction clearing and settlement will reduce. RuPay will benefit the customer and banks to reducing their cost. Now एक्सरसाइज के आंसर्स आपको PDF बना के आपको भेज दिया जाएगा, वो आपको नोटबुक में लिख देना है और एक्स्ट्रा जो भी रहेगा उसकी भी एक आपको PDF दे रही थी जो आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम के लिए हेल्पफुल है.